What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I've been busy, very busy. But we're here in Tokyo. Here's Aaron. What's up? But yeah, we're here in Tokyo for a supercar cruise. We're with a Japanese group. I've never met them before. So hopefully it'll be cool. I can't really communicate with them. Neither me, BizHunt, or Aaron can communicate with these people. But you don't need to communicate to have a good time with cars. So yeah, real quick. We have a Porsche here, got my R8. We have some crazy freaking whatever the hell that is. Liberty Walk Maserati up front. Aaron's 1JZ, and a GR86 up there right now. And a Lambo just pulled up behind me. He's part of the group too. He's back there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get situated and talk to these people, and I'll hit you guys up in a minute. This Liberty Walk Maserati, it's freaking beautiful. I love the Liberty Walk Maseratis. I also don't know what kind of car this is, but it's sweet. And your boy. Hello, nerds. Hello. Yeah.
That guy is so freaking loud, dude.
Yeah, the boss's uncle car.
Yeah.
Made it to the next stop, next location. It's pretty loud right now because so many people parking. I didn't actually know where we were coming, but I know exactly where we are, luckily. And it's a really cool spot. Yo, is that a wide body LC500? It is. Holy crap. That's nice. That looks really nice. Really good for pictures. I hope we like take turns in there, because that'd be pretty sweet, because I'm all the way out here on the street. Nice Ferrari. We changed to be right in front of the shrine. Hello. Hi.
Indians.
Freaking love it.
What the hell?
That's a rental freaking G-Wagon.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Damn.
See the wall plate?
Yeah.
Look at that dude.
Imagine camera.
Thank God it was our group.
Yeah.
We could slide in pretty easily.
What's going on? You see? Look. Why is there so many?
Oh, it's the freaking star filter. Oh, I don't have time to take it off.
Oh.
Watch out. I can't see.
was fast.
Oh my god, that was insane. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I need more downforce. You feel how floaty we feel?
Yeah.
Made it to the last spot. From the video that you guys just saw, the freaking drive was ridiculously insane. It was crazy. These G-Wagon guys in this rental G-Wagon are crazy, dude. They were flying. And the freaking Ferrari in front of us, he is equally as crazy. But yeah, this location's pretty freaking sick. I'm told the McLaren over there was making a lot of flames. We honestly need to like scoot up a little bit, but I got a pretty good spot. Like, this is an incredible location. Look at that. La Vista, Odaiba, I think. Or Tokyo Bay or some crap like that. It's pretty sweet. I like it. There's the R8 in all of its glory. Yeah, we just moved and got in a better spot. This is dope as hell. Let me get you guys a front view. I need to get some reels. Apparently we're moving to the next spot. I just got in, started my car so I can warm it up a little bit. I don't know why we're moving because I really like this spot. Like, it is incredible. Hopefully I got some good photos. I'm definitely going to come back here alone and do more. But I will see you guys at the next location. This freaking 488 is gorgeous, dude. Look at these wheels. That is beautiful. I'm going to move as soon as everyone else does because I do not want to hit this 488. Getting in here was already hard enough. Got another Ferrari pulling up with an NSX right there. Look at that. Ooh, that's a cool shot.
That was dope.
And somehow we made it to Daikoku. Yeah, this guy just walked up and was like, freaking nice R8, man. Should have recorded it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, nice S2000. Daikoku is hopping, dude. Dude, look how beat up that is. Got ourselves a Pikachu dog. Hell yeah. A lot of Z's. There's another one. Oh, it's cool. It's got like livery on it. Veilside Z. 2 Veilside RX-7s at the same time. I have never, ever been a fan of Z's with the like GTR looking bumper. Like this one. He has a nice hood though. That's a really nice hood. Full carbon. It's pretty sick. Got some crazy livery. And some crazy louvers. Jesus. One day maybe we'll have a Veilside RX-7. I will have one day. I made that a promise. I can't not have one. Found some nice Itasha on this Evo right here. I don't. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't quite recognize it.
Yeah.
Definitely looks video game-esque. I like the blue on the GTR. He also has like a lot of Fuel Fest stickers, and I can't help but to think this is like one of the official Fuel Fest cars because he has it all around the car. It's also got some Nismo wheels. Whoever has this car has money. Alright guys, so if you can see behind me, it looks like Daikoku is kind of calming down. We're still hanging out, but I'm going to call this video complete. I will see you guys in the next video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you want more content like this, you know, supercar stuff in Japan. There's not many Supercar Japan YouTubers, so that speak English, so definitely hit your boy up. Probably the only one. I think I'm the only one. So yeah, subscribe. Thank you so much. If you don't like this video, you know, like it anyway if you want to, because why not? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one.